Do you find it hard to remember? Trigonometry values like sine 30, cosine 60, or tangent 45. Don't worry. Today I will show you a super easy trick using just your left hand. Yes, your own hand. With this trick, you can remember all standard angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. In just 1 minute, let's start. First, open your left hand and spread your fingers. Now assign each finger an angle. Your thumb is 0 degree, index finger is 30 degree, middle finger is 45 degree, ring finger is 60 degree, little finger is 90 degree. Now here comes the trick. To find sine and cosine values, step 1, choose the angle. Step 2, bend that finger. Now count the fingers. Let's take sine 30 as an example. 30 degree is your index finger, so bend your index finger. Now count the fingers below it, you get 1. Count the fingers above it, you get 3. Now remember this, sine value equals square root of number of fingers below divided by 4. Cosine value equals square root of number of fingers above divided by 4. So sine 30 becomes square root of 1 by 4, which is 1 by 2. Cosine 30 becomes square root of 3 by 4, which is root 3 by 2. Let's try one more. Find sine 45. 45 degree is your middle finger. Bend it. Fingers below are 2, fingers above are 2. So sine 45 becomes square root of 2 by 4, which is 1 by root 2. Cosine 45 is also 1 by root 2. Now for tangent. Tangent value equals sine divided by cosine. So tangent 45 becomes 1. That's it. You can find all trigonometry values using just your hand. No need to memorize anything. Just bend, count, and calculate. Super easy, right? And always remember, math is not about memorizing formulas. It's about learning smart tricks. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more such tricks. See you in the next video.